Rightio, checking out this market today, we have VET making a break for it. So we talked about this over the last couple of weeks. It's been still going, bouncing off this nice green line. If you go back to a few of the other videos, you'll see that we've talked about Vechain, and it is starting to pump. So last time Vechain done this, it's probably like a 3 or 4 times coin. Every time it goes through its cycle and it's squaring up, double bottom, throwing in a nice little double bottom, and now is coming around above the 200 on the 4 hourly and is starting to pump. So over the last couple of days, this was good buy-in zone through here. Every time we touched it, it's bought up, and then you can see that if you would have got in here somewhere, then we're already making a reasonable gains out of this. So it's good 23% right now. So Vechain is one to watch over the next couple of weeks if it keeps running. Righto, the market is on fire again. So all the altcoins, it's alt season right now, so altcoins are going really good. 39 for Zen, Sand 38, 28 for Waves. It is powering. Waves is a good one. DIA we've talked about. It's powering as well with 26, 22. Seller has 18. It's just alphas there again. We got 18, ADA, 16, 16, 16. What do we got? 14, 14. Oh, FET, we've talked about that as well. And it has a nice big run up at 330. Last time it ran up to somewhere around 800 or even more sats. So it's come back a fair bit. So keep an eye on that one as well. 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. It's just 11, 10, 10, 10. It's just amazing. Like the gains that we're getting out of altcoins at the moment is outrageous. So keep an eye on them. Keep an eye on the coins that I've talked about over the last couple of weeks as well, and we'll go through a couple again today. Jumping over the big dog, Bitcoin is putting in this nice little double bottom, still respecting this trend line, and it's still looking quite nice. Our MACD's flowing upways. We're on a 1 hourly time frame, but flowing upways, and also upways on the RSI and histogram is looking good as well, and the Stotch is entering the overbought section, but it's looking still got a bit of room to move. So keep an eye on that, and you want to keep an eye on these levels like 18,846. You can go long again there, in my personal opinion, for a bit of fun, and going along there and seeing if you can get a bounce off this trend line as well again. So we'll see, but putting in a nice double bottom. First area would be this area here of 18,646. So if it can break here, put a nice breakout, it'll be looking pretty good, I would say, for Bitcoin. It's in an uptrend anyway, so uptrends are uptrends, and don't short the uptrends, I would say. Dominance is falling though, so you're on support here, and you've got support here as well for the 200, but yeah, dominance is falling, so keep an eye on that. And you've got the total 2. We're having a little pump here, which is good, which is altcoin dominance, which is very nice for alts, and we're seeing that in the price action as well. It's really powering, really powering. Ethereum, we're still super bullish on Ethereum. Come back down, touched here, it did, then pumped up, and we talked about that the other day as well, that it should come down and touch this trend line. Just missed it, but still by $6. So $6, and it did come down, touched it, and exploded off that trend line, and now we're up around what are we, 584. So next target's going to be 600, and I'm super bullish on Ethereum over the next couple of weeks, especially with 2.0 coming, and especially with these fellas as well. Like PayPal and Square are buying every new mined Bitcoin and more. According to Pantera Capital, they're buying everything. So money is coming into this market at crazy amounts, and we need to keep up, and we need to be selling the top to these people as well. So make sure you're selling the top, taking profits on the way up. Chainlink is bouncing off this trend line as well. Like we've been talking about this for a few weeks now. This nice uptrend. It's been putting in higher highs the whole time, higher high. Hopefully this is our higher low, bounced off this trend line, and will go up for another higher high. So we talked about this the other day as a nice entry point, and then up. Rightio, to our last thing, fear and greed. Fear and greed's at 90. It's popped back a little bit from 94. You know what to do. When there's greed in the market, things can pump really hard, but make sure you're taking profits on the way up, because someone else will be taking your profits. All right, if you like what I'm doing, give us a like, give us a share, and give us a subscribe. Thanks.